KANJU ya IGERANIO BURURI-INI ni yanirire kwambiriria kwa mehariria ma IGERANIO cia KPSEA, KJSEA na KCSE iria igatabanio MUTHIA-INI wa mwaka uyu. Mehariria maya ari hamwe na wandikithia wa ARUTWO, MIHANG'O iria ikambiriria kiumia giukite.
Registration dates for KPSEA will run from the 16th of February to the 16th of March 2026. The registration period for KJSEA will run from the 2nd of March to the 31st of March 2026, while the registration period for KCSE will run from the 16th of February to the 31st of March 2026.
Ihinda riri riheanitwo niguo gutigirira arutwo othe aria matanyitwo gugeka igeranio ni mandikithio, arugamiriri a mathukuru makirutirwo mukana wa gutacukirio makinya ma kiwatho mundu angikanyitikana ndandikithirie murutwo ona umwe. Riri KANJU ya IGERANIO BURURI-INI ihithuritie ati mwaka muhituku arutwo 5,743 ni maceritheirio kwandikithio.
Registration errors have far-reaching implications on the young learners. For example, sir, when a school registers a candidate using the wrong gender, the child is a boy, they are registered as a girl. That means at the point of placement, this child is going to be placed in a girl's school.
For the 2026 cycle, we will identify any of the heads of institutions that will not have registered or will have registered related errors for appropriate disciplinary action by the Teachers Service Commission.
Ihinda-ini o riu KANJU ya IGERANIO ni iranire kugacirithia mutaratara uyu makiria na njira ya gutigirira ona aciari ni manyite itemi niguo gwithema mahitia maria makoretwo makiyumiria mahinda kwa mahinda.
When the children break for the April holidays, we will have completed the registration process. So any parent with a child in grade 6, grade 9, Form 4 or grade 10, they should first ask their child, were you registered? Then we will provide a platform where the parent can log in and check, 1, whether the child has been registered, 2, whether the names of the child have been entered correctly in terms of spelling, in terms of the order of the names, and 3, whether the gender of the child has been entered correctly.
Riri aririta ria mbere KANJU ya IGERANIO no itanyitwo gutabania igeranio nini cia arutwo a grade ya 10 aria maraingirire thiini wa senior school. Gicunji kia maumirira ma igeranio ici magitanywo gugaturanirwo na maumirira ma mwaka wa muthia wa ngathi ino ya mathomo thiini wa grade ya 12.
The grade 10 learners entering senior school will need to sit their SBA, and that SBA is going to count for their grade 12 marks. So we have to make sure that no child fails to be administered for the grade 10 SBA.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wandurwa.